What's up guys, we have 5 minutes to make a full-blown music video for our music. So I'm going to show you the most easiest and simplest way to make a music video for your music, especially if it's in the EDM genre. So without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, so if this is your first time visiting this channel, my channel is all about music marketing and helping you get more streams, plays, downloads, purchases, visibility, eyeballs on your music. So hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. So I'm on my Beatport. I'm gonna promote my song Inner Demons. This is how it sounds. So next I need to go in and I need to get my song. So the actual file for the song, just download. So now I'm gonna grab the track animation and also grab the logo. And I'm gonna put these inside my video to start. Download. All right, now back to Pexels, and basically you just type in the keyword or theme of the video. Now Pexel gives you tons and tons of free photos and videos, but we want videos. So basically type in your keywords and scroll till you find the video. They also have other related keywords. So yeah, so basically you just find some clips that go with the vibe of your video. Mine is, the song's called Inner Demons, so I want something dark and mysterious. So yeah, you just keep doing this until you get about 10 to 15 video clips. Again, you could go as crazy as you want, but I like to keep mine simple and fast. All right, now once you have all your clips, time to start bringing it into your editing software. I use DaVinci Resolve. It's free, but it does take a lot of power out your computer. So you need a computer with a very large amount of RAM for it to work efficiently. So at least like 16 gigs RAM. So yeah, now you just drag your clips in, upload it all to the timeline of DaVinci, drop it in the media pool, and just start bringing all the clips in. And I also like to sprinkle my cover video and logo throughout the video. It also helps to do it to the beat of the song. So in Canva, I actually made this file that I like to use in my video so people know where they could find the song. So I'm just gonna download this in transparent. And now that it's downloaded, I'm gonna put it over certain parts of my song. I am facing Now that that's done, all we have to do is export the file. So this entire process took me about 15-20 minutes to do, from finding all the clips to dragging in all the files and putting everything over my song. And now we just go to YouTube and upload the video. So basically you go to YouTube Studio, upload the file, and then you start typing in the title of the file and also filling the description and also filling the tags, pretty much everything you need. Also upload a thumbnail. So now that brings me to this part. Most of us who release music with record labels or through a distributor will get a copyright claim on the video, even if you own the song or not. I'm going to make another video showing you guys how to get rid of the copyright claim. So the reason you have a copyright claim is because the distributor you distribute your music is doing YouTube Content ID, which means that they're collecting the royalties from the song from YouTube so they can pay you. So if you're using the distributor or record label, the song goes through the distributor to you, or to the distributor, to the record label, then to you. Now, if you're using a distributor like DistroKid, they pay you 100% of your royalty. But if you're using a distributor that takes a percentage, it goes to the distributor, they take their percentage, and then what's left goes to you. Now, if you wanted to get rid of the copyright claim completely, that means that the distributor is no longer going to collect the royalty for you, and you're going to have to monetize the video on YouTube yourself. So that's the trade-off. Now, the reason I want to talk about this too is I'm going to show you guys how to run YouTube ads to your videos, your music videos, in the next video. And when you have a copyright claim on your video, you're not able to run YouTube ads to your video. So we're gonna have to get the claim removed by reaching out to our distributor, ask them to drop the claim, and then we'll be able to run YouTube ads to our video. All right, so now we just finish up uploading the video, and that's it. Upload it as unlisted, make sure everything's right, and then when everything is good, you can switch it over to public.